Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off personalized ads based on information from our partners on your Reddit. We will go to turn off this mic or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. Just go up here in this picture, we will click, then this window show for us, then we just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window, then we just click here on account settings for you, then we come to our account settings here in this window, then we just go down here and we come here to personalize ads based on information from our partners. So we'll click here on this mark, and like you say, this color it's gone. That's my personalized ads based or on information from our partners. It's turned off now. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.